Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device model and battery chemistry so you know what norms to expect. This matters because Li-ion behaves differently than older cells. Once done, make sure the OS is current and the charge sits between 20 and 80% for reliable diagnostics. Now open Settings, jump to Battery or Power, and locate Battery Health and Usage Stats. You'll see basic percentages immediately. From here, you can begin deeper checks and note baseline values for later comparison. You now analyze the middle of the process by digging into perap drain and background activity. This shows whether software or hardware is the cause. Once you review usage, run the system's battery report or diagnostics to capture cycle count, design versus current capacity percentage, and voltage behavior under load. If values look odd, boot into safe mode to rule out apps, or use an external USB power meter for real current/voltage readings. This combination tells you why the battery performs the way it does and what to fix next. You finish by interpreting results and taking targeted action based on what you found. If measured capacity stays above about 80%, focus on software optimizations like lowering brightness, disabling background refresh, and updating apps. If it's below roughly 70%, plan a battery replacement. Once done, perform a calibrated charge cycle to improve reporting accuracy. Make sure to rerun diagnostics after changes to confirm improvement. If values jump wildly or charging is intermittent, check the cable and port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.